Gavana ma kaunti ma Vihiga Dr. Wilbur Otichilo oketo seyi e paro adek mag chike makoro biro tiyo kaka chike ma sirikand kaunti no e sectors mopogore opogore. Kanoloso e kar jot mare, Otichilo nowacho ni paro mar chik mar omenda ma 2025-26 ne otimne lokruoge moko e sectors mopogore koda kama geto tego kuonde tiegruok nyaka mag tije lwedo e kaunti no. Bende nomedo ni kaunti no opwodho paro mathoth mag chike higani ka gigeno ni sirikal ikore mar yawo ayanga muspal ma kaimosi.
One of the key areas where we have done some enhancement is in scrap metal collection dealers. That's one area where we have been able to increase the license, because over the last few years we are having a lot of vandalization of government infrastructure through collection of scrap metal. So we thought it as a government is important to make it very punitive, so that the people who get in the scrap metal collection should be people of high integrity. And to be able to do that, we have made the license a little bit more expensive to make sure that we have the right people in the. One of the biggest challenges we have been having in the vocational training centers is clearly defined structures on how these centers should be managed. Now this bill has clearly defined how each of those centers should be managed.